The 77 cents support level for Nexo United States dollar truly is serious areas of strength for truly, generally is genuinely critical. Nexo United States dollar exchanges close 63 cents, so the 77 cents support level for Nexo United States dollar basically is truly kind of solid in a genuinely enormous manner. 24-hour exchanging volume for Nexo generally is drifting at $2,953,317, which especially is very huge. Nexo down around 0.14% inside the very most recent 24 hours, which certainly is very critical. 02 July 2023. In this video we will truly walk you through Nexo cost examination for now or for truly 1 week from now, and explicitly attempt to answer these often in every practical sense. Sought clarification on pressing issues. Facts. What in a real sense is essentially momentary cost expectation for Nexo? For the most part is Nexo a by and large wise speculation, extremely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Nexo support and obstruction levels and so forth in a huge manner. Yet prior to jumping essentially profound into the Nexo specialized examination, for the most part allowed us truly to discuss the kind of current economic situations, which sort of shows that Nexo support and obstruction levels, and so on in a truly significant manner. Market examination over the especially last 24 hours, there by and large was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the in every practical sense whole digital money market to $1,195,617,921,172 in a very significant manner. The sort of complete exchanging volume by and large stands at $24,077,659,794, which generally is very critical. Bitcoin shares 49.56% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a strength of 16.33%, exhibiting how Nexo down roughly 0.14% inside the very most recent 24 hours, which explicitly is very huge, which sort of brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $30,513.42 level after a decay of 0.19% in a genuinely significant manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum sort of has seen a value reduction of 0.51%, coming to $1,915.50 during the past 24 hours in a very large manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $244.84 following a value change of 0.97% within a similar time span in a by and large significant manner. XRP, the extremely local coin of XRP for the most part, is up by 1.54 and at present exchanging at 48 cents, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, or so they for the most part thought. These occasions in a real sense demonstrate that the market really is going in an especially descending bearing for genuinely present moment, which by and large is genuinely critical. Right now, a truly broad for the most part bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, exhibiting that Nexo down roughly 0.14% inside the fundamentally most recent 24 hours, which certainly is very critical. Nexo backing and opposition backing and obstruction, sort of are significant specialized pointers used to generally distinguish truly key cost levels, where the pattern can take an alternate route, showing how 24-hour exchanging volume for Nexo truly is drifting at $2,953,317, which truly is very critical. Support sort of is a level at which purchasers truly become kind of more beautiful dynamic and certainly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing how the especially complete exchanging volume basically remains at $24,077,659,794, or so they generally thought. Similarly, obstruction generally is a level at which dealers generally move extremely dynamic and prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing that Bitcoin shares 49.56% of the entry market, while Ethereum fundamentally has a predominance of 16.33%, exhibiting how Nexo down roughly 0.14% inside the especially most recent 24 hours in a very significant manner. Following fundamentally are the help and opposition levels of Nexo execution. The very current Nexo cost generally is 63 cents, with an exchanging volume of $2,953,317 in the sort of beyond 24 hours, showing how moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents, subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, which certainly is genuinely huge. Presently, Nexo truly is somewhere near 0.14% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $353,633,803 United States dollars, which in every practical sense shows that 24-hour exchanging volume for Nexo for the most part is drifting at $2,953,317, by and large as opposed to mainstream thinking. Nexo Value Investigation Nexo Cost Examination for 02 July 2023, Insight and especially everyday time period all things considered, made sense of underneath, which for the most part is very critical. We utilize truly relative strength index RSI moving in every practical sense, normal combination and disparity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including pretty basic moving truly normal, SMA, and outstanding moving exceptionally normal, EMA, to examine the future development of the Nexo in a huge manner explicitly. The Nexo sort of has generally break all its by and large backings levels, and things truly are not looking certainly great for the crypto market, showing how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum for the most part, has seen a value diminishing of 0.51%, coming to $1,915.50 during the past 24 hours in an especially huge manner. Right now, fundamentally bears truly are in charge of the market and effectively for the most part take Nexo cost underneath the vital help level of 82 cents, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. RSI suggesting combination stage while exchanging at 44 and truly is attempting to basically break out of the lack of bias zone. So Nexo Value Examination Nexo Cost Investigation for 02 July 2023, Insight a truly day-to-day time period, explicitly made sense of beneath and in every way that really matters, enormous way. While Nexo's Williams %R pointer generally is at 52.869 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an impartial condition. A exchange, pretty sign generally is especially conceivable at this reach, showing how furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which generally is very critical. The MACD line really is remaining above of the buy and large sign line after a kind of Shore hybrid, genuinely further appearance, how support in every practical sense is a level at which purchasers generally become basically more extremely dynamic and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing how the in every way that really matters. All-out exchanging volume for the most part remains at $24,077,659,794, which basically is genuinely huge. Nexo financial backers need to buy and large sit tight for any directional change over the especially everyday outline, showing that Nexo